Welcome to IT Learning Tutorial YouTube channel for you. Today in this tutorial we learn how to create or insert table in Microsoft Excel sheet. So sometimes it became important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. When we open a Microsoft Excel sheet, by default it open home tab. We go to insert tab and click these options and find table, and we are see now create table, which is data for you. It create tables windows are open. In this windows we are see now we import the data whole. It select and we just click OK, and we are see a table are created and another tab are coming, design. We click this design tab and find header row. With by default header row are check now. We check now total row, and we first column and last column branded column. By default filter button does not check. We check filter button, and when we check filter button, it is we are see now another table tab are coming. Which format we see input data, it found it, and we did not check this filter button. We did not found this. We just check it, and we just also we design the table. We are see now many tables are automatically insert, and another way we design this Microsoft Excel sheet table. If this video is benefit for you, so I request you subscribe my channel. Keep watching next tutorial. Thank you very much.